Hello world, this is ML, and I am up late night trying to upgrade my laptop computer, my MacBook Pro Mid 2012. So what I'm doing is I'm backing up the data from my old uh, hard drive to my new hard drive. So what I've done is I invested in a crucial SSD. So what's compatible with this Mac is the MX500 Crucial, okay, and memory has a 1 terabyte or 1,000 gigs, but they call it 1 terabyte. Um, so it's 2.5-inch solid state drive. I'm also going to upgrade the RAM, which I invested. Uh, this is the I don't even know the name of this, but it's SP. So basically, right now, this laptop have 8 gigabytes of RAM. So I'm going to update into 16 gigabytes of RAM. I'm backing up the hard drive to the new one via disk utility. So it's been 2 hours after cloning, and now I'm choosing for the laptop to load up on the new SSD, and which is this one. I'm gonna restart it. Wow, so far it's booting up so quick. Before it used to stagnate around here, but so far I'm noticing a slight difference. Okay, all right, so this is the new HD, same thing. So it seems like the cloning were successful. So now I'm gonna turn it off. And by the way, this mat that you see, I also purchased this from Amazon. Okay, and that's what the inside of the laptop, what it looks like. Um, so I'm gonna change this hard drive and this RAM. I must disconnect the battery, which is this one. Okay, so the battery is now disconnected. Now, uh, let me start on the hard drive. So the hard drive uses this. It looks like a star. I don't know if you see that. Yep, right here. You see? This is so useful. It says hard disk. So for the hard disk screws. right? So you just lift this up. As you can see, it's a little bit dusty. I don't think you need to really take off the screw. So it goes there. And disconnect this SATA connection slowly, because this is like a ribbon like material. And there you go. That's how you disconnect it. And then you take the new one. There's the screws that's in here. I need to take it off and put it here. Okay. This piece right here, I'm gonna take it off and replace it and put it here. Okay. Oh, doesn't even want to go, but it is what it is. If it doesn't, it's all good. Oh, no, actually fit. All right, so now take the screws and put it here. Connect it back in. I'm a bit OCD, you know. Now it's supposed to be some kind of like sticky, so definitely secure. See, I'll just come off. Just came off, so and I think it fits. There you go. And then I put this back on. Just brush it up a little bit. I think it's like this. Yeah, yep. It's like that. Well, so far it feels secure. I'm trying to tug it, pull it, and it fits in there secure. All right, so next I'm going to install the 16 gig of RAM. Be careful opening this because it feels sharp and you don't want to damage the RAM. Okay, that's it. So now you separate these. There you go. Just kind of like, you know, and then just pull it. Don't fight with it. Just gently pull it. And then that's the second one. There you go. So this, you put it this way. So one thing one thing about me, I like to take care of whatever I have, whether it's camera, laptop, whatever electronic equipment I have, I try to take care of it, you know. Sometimes I save the original box, you know. So install this. Just move it to the side a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Then the last one. Can't hardly see it. Stand up. Here's right here. Just gently push it in. Oh, shoot. Messed up. I should have never pulled it because it was on tightly. And then there you go. Then that's it. So I'm gonna clean it a little bit more. I actually bought these pieces where you could clean and vacuum it instead of dusting. Let's see if it works. All right. So now connect the battery. Okay. All right. All right. So this is just tissue and alcohol. Look how fast that is. Wow. So I used to have 4 now it's 16. Storage, 1 TB compared to having 750 gigs. So everything is, I'm happy with the upgrade. Everything that I showed, I purchased from Amazon, and even this tool to open the MacBook Pro. So it comes with a brush. It comes with other tools. It even comes with uh, it looks like what it looks like tweezers. Okay, so and I think I'm not quite sure how much I paid for this, but I think I paid for this for less than $10. Okay, the um, the SATA connection, even though I only used it once, I purchased this from Amazon. Before I conclude this video, I just want to let y'all know that whatever I shot or whatever you've seen in this vlog, I am not sponsored by none of those companies. Okay, I purchased everything that you saw here with my own money. So this is ML from KadeersTV. Thank you for watching. You could like the video and subscribe. If not, it's all good. So once again, this is ML for KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world, peace.